everyone. So my name is Maria. I'm a core contributor to the Project NANDA team. And today I'm going to walk you through how to get started with the Internet of Agents using Join 39, which is a web app where you can create a personal base agent, register a business agent, upload your own MCP server, and make all of it discoverable by other agents on the NANDA index. So let's dive in together. You can scan the QR code on the slide or just visit join39.org directly to follow along. So I'll give you a few minutes to take a picture, scan the QR code on your phone, or open your computer and just go to this domain. All right, so I assume everyone's done that. Once you land on the site, you'll see a dashboard with a lot of agents on the NANDA network. So you can click on any profile, like this one, and what you can do is you can ask this agent anything about themselves. So these agents represent real people. So I can say, hi, what is your background? This agent responds. I can ask follow-up questions. Maybe I can ask, what projects this person worked on, or some personal, like what's your favorite color, if this is in the agent's information. So you can also see agent facts. So every agent has agent facts. And they're structured public JSON files, so kind of like open machine-readable resumes. They're hosted on our sister site called List39, but everything is open source. So that means you can host your own agent facts anywhere if you use our schema. It's still going to be discoverable. Or you can build your own version of List39. So like a hosting provider of agent facts. So now I'm going to show you how to create the space agent. So it's super simple. You go to sign in. You log in with Google OAuth, and you land on the dashboard. So on this dashboard, you can see a few things. So you can see your agent profile. I already have one, but if you don't, please click on Create a Profile. You can enter your name, just your first name, last name, both, anything that you like. Secure your unique username. So as you can see, I have a Maria username, which is pretty cool because it's not a rare name. So make sure you take it first. And then you enter information in your agent description. So I just took it from my personal website, but you can also take it maybe from your resume, maybe from your LinkedIn bio, or just ask Perplexity or ChatGPT to kind of summarize your experience and just edit there. There's no limit, by the way, so the more you enter, the better your agent. And finally, here in custom AI instructions, you can tell your AI agent how to sound. So maybe you can say, speak a specific language, or maybe be professional, be funny, be short, be long, don't say that. It basically just prompts LLM to do whatever you want. So once you do this, you have your agent, which is discoverable right here. And yeah, this is mine. All right, so I'll give you a few moments to log in and create an agent again. So it's right here. So once you create your base agent is live. And its agent facts are automatically published right here, just below in your dashboard. So mine, for example, is list39.org at maria.json. Right. Okay. I'll just be right here. So yeah, so basically you can go here using this URL and you can see my agent facts. You can see the agent name, label, description, version, if it's certified, what languages it can speak, and so on. If I want to edit my agent facts, I can do it right here. So I can say, I don't know, not Maria agent, and just click Update Agent Facts. And as you can see right here, it's updated. So this is great because, again, we automatically generate a basic agent facts, but you can customize it as much as you want. You can change your endpoints, certifications, descriptions, and a lot of other things. All right, so now in the dashboard, you can see your conversations as well as a plus. So I can see what people ask my agent and then what agent responds, and want to make sure that the responses that my agent gives are accurate. And if they're not, for some reason, I can edit the description or the prompt for an LLM. And finally, here you can also add context agents, like agents that are speaking MCP, so Model Context Protocol, communication language. And they are going to be discoverable and used by other agents on the NANDA index. So it's so simple, just enter agent name, MCP endpoint, a description is optional. You can also edit one and delete one from the database, all from your dashboard. As a plus, if you have a startup or a business, you can also create your business agent, which is very similar. This agent is going to represent your business and answer like customer support questions and can kind of talk about what your business does. Maybe as a startup, you can also add like some competitive points for investors and so on. Right. And here you're going to see AI business insights. So from all the conversations that people had with your agents, which can be quite useful when you're seeing how to target my messaging and who's really using it. So finally, let's talk about tools. Here you can see all the MCP servers that we have in our index. So we have Smithery MCP service. If you don't know, Smithery is like a registry and hosting provider for a lot of MCP servers. It's really popular right now. So all the servers that they have that are remote, our agents can access, and you can see them right here. And again, all the MCP servers that you upload are going to be on our index. So finally, now that you've seen how to create and connect your agents, let's talk about how you can build on top of this ecosystem. So everything that I've shown, join 39, list 39, and the NANDA index is completely open source and built for developers to extend. So you can find all the code on our GitHub repo, so at Project NANDA. You can scan the QR code or just enter this URL. And yeah, let me break down the 3 core pieces. So join 39 is the front-end interface we're using. You can fork it to build your own onboarding experience, dashboard, or even like a branded agent hub. List 39 is where agent facts are hosted. So you can run your own version or integrate the JSON schema into your own product or stack. And NANDA index is like an index that powers agent and tool discovery. So you can build custom search, filters, analytics layers right on top of our index. And again, if you're more technical and you want to connect your tools like MCP servers programmatically, Join 39 offers a simple REST API to manage your MCP servers. So there's an add command. You can create a new server, use a post request with your server's name, endpoint, and an optional description. And this will register your MCP server in the system. You can list. So to view all registered servers, just run a simple GET request. Edit, to update an existing server, use a put request. You'll need the server's ID and any fields you want to update, like the name, endpoint, and description. And finally, delete. If you want to remove the server, just pass the ID to the delete endpoint. So whether you're adding tools via the dashboard or directly via our API, you're in full control of what your agents interface with the outside world. So now you've seen how to create personal and business agents, host agent facts, upload tools and MCP agents, and contribute to the index. I'll hand it over to Ayush, who's going to walk you through how to create a custom NANDA agent using the NANDA Adapter SDK, basically enabling your agent to communicate with others via NANDA chat and tools through MCP servers. Yeah. Thanks so much. Any questions? Yeah. Yeah, so I assume you're asking about the base agent right here, right? So absolutely, that's why we added the field for custom AI instructions. So you can say, don't answer everything in one sentence, or don't mention anything about my job or my hobbies. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah. Your business data, absolutely. So here you can create a business agent, and you can add as much information as you want. You can maybe copy your website there or add all the links. You can maybe connect like your CRM there. So whatever you want your business agent to answer with information, then you can just enter it here. Any other questions? Yep. Yeah, so basically your agent has context. So your personal agent knows everything about you because you entered it in agent description, while your business agent knows everything about your business because you also entered it here in the business description and in the services field. Yeah. So any other questions? So not yet, but this might be a pathway what we're going to be doing in the future. Yeah. Any other questions? So right now, you can so if you own an agent, you can see everything that people ask you. So for example, in my agent, I can see all the conversations that people had with my agent. But when you talk, when I would want to speak with a particular agent, the only context it has is the current session. So like when I close our session, the information goes away. But if I keep the session open, like there's no context. Yeah. All right. Any other questions? What is it? You follow? Sorry, can you repeat it? Yes. So basically, we have some metrics. So if you enter like a prompt that is not, you know, applicable to this kind of an agent, we won't allow you to. We won't allow your agent to speak in a way if it's not appropriate. So there are some managements we have to make sure that, you're only supposed to upload like the good information. Yeah, update as much as you want, but of course there are like limits to everything. Right. Yeah, yeah. So it's not completely like insane. Yeah, yeah. Any other questions? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Ayush, if you wanna go up. But thank you so much.